Overall, I'm definitely way more impressed. I was way more comfortable because it wasn't pulling up on the back of the other cars as much. What's up, YouTube? Fat Guy Tesla. So I did my first self-drive on V14 Lite, and compared to yesterday, just yesterday, I was on the original, the like 12.6.4, whatever that was. So here's a couple things. I definitely like it. I drove in chill for a little bit on the highway, and then I had to pick up the speed, so I put it in standard. It was perfect, around 60-something miles an hour, 60 to 64. You know what I'm saying? So that was pretty cool. A couple little things. I did notice that it kind of still plays the left a tad, not as much as it did yesterday when I was on the old one. Speed was perfect though. Everything was pretty good. I didn't have any issues. Took the exit ramps, all of that stuff. It did. It was a couple times where, well, maybe like twice, where it was an off ramp. It was supposed to get out, and it took a little bit of time, more than it should. So I nudged it a little bit. So that's something that they may be able to improve on. Got here, got to the crib. So when it pulled into the parking lot, everything was smooth. The turning is smooth. The steering is way more smooth now. Everything is cool. It pulled up. Normally now, yesterday when it pulled up, it looked like it was gonna back into the parking spot, and it just started doing the jitters and the shakes and the, you know what I'm saying? And it looked like it wanted to make a decision, but it couldn't. So it pulled up, made the little right turn, angled out, started backing in, confidently backing in, but when it backed in, it was two lanes, it was two spots open. It like kind of backed smack in the middle of the spot. So I just took over, came around and did. So I've been seeing a lot of the same things everybody else has been saying about the backup parking here with it, and it's, it's a little shaky. So now that I know that, I'm gonna still test it to see every time I come in, see if maybe it'll learn it. Maybe, I'm not sure. I know it's not gonna learn that much because it's still 14 Lite, but so we're gonna keep at it. Fat Guy Tesla here. Make sure you like, subscribe. I got a lot more content coming for the channel. I mean, you see baby girl pink car seat in the back, you know what I'm saying? So, I'm all about the family and the love. So, so show that love, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.